Hi everybody, it's Rob from StockTraders.net. Today we'll be reviewing our trades from Tuesday, May 2nd, 2017. First up is SHOP, S-H-O-P. In the room, right at the open, Titus called watching for a fade on SHOP at S-H-O-P, and we actually were short right here at $84 even. We were watching price and volume as always. We had already checked the news. It did have earnings, and we also checked several different metrics on SHOP, as we always do. In the very next candle, we covered for a +1 near 83 and a +120 near 82.76. Those were our outs. We were fully out on that candle. SHOP happened to retrace and then plummet lower near the previous closing of the day, which would make it a G2C candidate. We were approximately 6 cents away from getting our first fill for a long position in SHOP. I know Titus shared this chart with everybody in the room today. Look at what it did. $77.50 area to $81 even would have been the 50% retracement. So a significant increase there in price. Unfortunately, we just missed our entry there long on SHOP. However, the short was pretty good as well. Our second trade today was CYH. We started watching CYH for a short. Titus called the watch at around 934 in this area here on this candle. We entered CYH here at we entered CYH here at $9.91. The blue line is just a $10 number I wanted to give as reference. So our entry was at $9.91, again, after checking news and specific company metrics. Titus then added at $9.90 at 936 on this bar here. As you can see, the volume declining between the bars, a good indication. So 2 lots short, one at 991, the next at 990. Our stops were discussed at this time. Our stops would have been over the whole number of $10. Very close to $10.05 would have been the stop. And on this trade, guys, our covers were based on VWAP. Right here, near 972. And our last half was out at 964. Right here, so right near VWAP for the exits on CYH. Our third trade of the day was AMD. Titus went long AMD at 943 here at the whole number, at $11.13, expecting a bounce here. 943. We were monitoring the trade closely, and we had already set our stops at $11. We were stopped out of that initial trade. We were long AMD. We were stopped out for the 13 cents. And at 947, Titus reversed and shorted AMD at $11.01. And at this time, the stop was discussed. It was a very, very small risk of 5 cents. So our stop was $11.06. AMD eventually did break the $11 whole number. Our first cover on half was at $10.87 in this area here. And at that time, after we had covered that, Titus was bidding the remaining portions of the position at 1066 and 1042. I'll show you in a minute why this is important. Unfortunately, at 953 here, there was a upgrade placed on AMD by Rosenblatt Securities. It was a reiteration of a buy and a $20 price target. So that brought the price back up, and we stopped here at $10.96. But what I did want to show you on a little bit larger time frame, after that initial run up from the price target increase, the reiteration of the buy and the $20 price target, let's take a look at what happened today. Titus had originally called the 1066 here, and his final covering was at $10.42 here. But it doesn't always work out as planned. It was a profitable trade, and those were the 3 trades today. Thank you again for coming into StockTraders.net, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow.